Good evening, good afternoon for everyone. It's not easy to have your kid graduate. Today, we're gonna see Blondine speech. N'a pas continué à faire nous suivre. C'est ça qui est important dans le discours lors de graduation de sa fille Veronica. Elle a fait ressortir comment et enceinte ça il va aussi me voir qui était facile pour lui capable enfanter un petit monde parce que c'est un jeune âge que et situation pas facile pour lui. Mais il a présenté exclusive à Veronica. C'était des bagages qui étaient faits. Il n'est pas parfait. Il a expliqué que il va être parfait. Il n'est pas parfait, c'est que la façon de comporter dans le moment de l'élévation de ça. Pour essayer de comprendre, c'est que très jeune âge, nous tournons sur le discours, on doit dire, pour faire parents et tout. Pour essayer de comprendre, c'est pas une petite monde dans la gueule, c'est de soutenir, pour capable de ça il y a temps pour lui. Ça a le besoin. C'est pas seulement mal, ça a le besoin, mais soit il y a temps pour lui tout. Nous allons suivre ensemble avec nous. Avec les côté nous qui nous dit Haïti, qui nous dit domaine, qui nous dit États-Unis. Et je vais saluer tous les fans ça. Continuez à abonner à la chaîne là. Vous soutenir la chaîne là, vous supporter la chaîne là. Nous allons suivre ça que l'ordre de graduation Veronica que Blondedy t'a fait. On nous suit. Enjoy again.
You know. I remember when I was pregnant with Veronica and I was on top of my career and I had it all. Coming from Richmond to the biggest contract and everything. And I remember my mother telling me that you cannot have the baby. Because I was in college, she said, your life will be ruined and you will never be able to make it up.
And now look at my baby.
And you are the best decision of my life.
When?
I don't know. I can't even remember how my life was before you. I can't remember. Sometimes I want to go back to remember. It's so meaningless what I had before you, the life I had. You taught me so much. You are my true love, my first love. You taught me how to love. You taught me how to behave. You taught me how to care for someone. You taught me how to care for myself because I knew I had to take care of myself so I could take care of you. You taught me everything that I needed to know in my life. And I know life does not come with everything. You don't know what you're doing as a mother, as a young mother. I didn't know what I was doing, and I know I make a lot of mistakes.
It's okay. Got it.
I'm not perfect, and I'll never be perfect, and I'm not trying to be perfect. But I know one thing for sure is that I'll die for you. I'll kill for you. There's not one thing I won't do for you. And everything that I have ever done in my life until this day is all because of you. You are the first. You are the second. You are the last. You are the true one. You are the queen. You are my heart. You are my life. You are everything that I worked for and achieved. And my goal was always to give you a life that I never had. And I hope that I did that for you. And I hope that you will allow me, Veronica, Rossi, Jean Louis, Ferdinand, to continue to be that for you. Because I want nothing more but to be this person living, breathing, making plans all around you. I love you so much, Veronica. You'll never understand how much I love you until maybe one day if you have your own child. But I'm telling you right now, this woman right here, there is not one thing on this earth you could think of. I'll give you my heart. I'll give you my legs. I'll give you my eyes. I'll give you my nose. I'll give you my ears. I'll give you everything, Veronica. Whatever that can make you happy. I am your mother. I'll remain that until the day I die. And some more. I love you. My darling. My love. I am proud. I am so proud, baby. Coming from John Coker, baby. Preschool, baby. Dropping you off to preschool. You crying. You come home, you said, I don't want to go. I don't want to go, mommy. I don't want to go. No.
To the third day.
The second day, same thing. No, mommy. Then the third day, you're like, mommy, go. And I come home, I say to your dad, I said, she kicked me out. He said, what do you mean? I said, I don't know. She asked me to leave. He said, she have friends. I said, I don't know, are we going to lose her? Is she going to want to stay in the school? He said, that's normal for her to do that. I want you to know that I'm still scared to lose you. The same day I was scared to lose you at Joe Coker.
No.
And I'll always be scared to lose you.
She's not going nowhere.
And I hope you don't go nowhere. I hope no matter where you go, wherever life push you, wherever life throw you, I hope that you will always remain the center of your life, the center of true love, the center of loyalty, the center of true support. Your family, us, we are your support. We are you. You are us. We are one. No matter where you go, no matter the decision you're making in your life, it's never too ugly. It's never too hard. We can deal with everything. And my love, you're never guilty.
Never.
Know that.
Never.
There's no guilty judgment for you in our book.
Comes to you.
Tell us, we clean it up. We bury that body, honey.
I was ready to couple dinner now.
Almost and to finish, I asked Veronica what she wanted when she graduated. She said, I told your father to buy you a gift. He said, okay, what do I give to a woman that has
Everything in the world. I don't know.
So he said, I don't know what to buy. I'll think about it. So she said, I don't want no gift. I don't want nothing. I said, think about it. Is there something you want? She said, Mommy, I don't want anything. But of course, she buys stuff every day.
Exactly.
You guys know.
Yeah.
So that's why she don't want
Bunch of
anything.
clothes.
So, and she was like, maybe a business. I want to start my own business. And tonight, Julian. No way.
What?
So I wanted to present you this check. So you can start your own business. It's only $20,000.
I mean, only.
But I hope you will be a billion one day. And I bless this check. Nano papa, nano petit la, nano le Saint-Esprit.
It will be a
Can
million.
basically make this check become the biggest empire for you, for your family, for your kids to come. And what's the name of the business again?
You said it.
BBS collection. So it's a hair collection, guys. So please, everybody, let's welcome this new
Raise your glass.
businesswoman.
Raise your glass. I did that, but it was too there's people screaming all over the place. I forgot.
Oh, yes. Congratulations.
Congratulations, baby.
Oh, it's heavy, huh?
That's what $20,000 feel like. Imagine when it's 20 million.
Alright.
All right. Well, wish you best of luck.
Well, guys,
Everything
I think that was
entertained.
all for tonight. Enjoy, dance, sing, whatever you want to do. The floor is yours to do whatever. Oh, your seagulls just made it.
How about writing an LLC?
Writing an LLC?
Can I do that?
Of course.
BB, can I write an LLC?